much is it?
250,000 naira.
250,000 naira for a DNA test.
Yes, sir.
For picking one over having day shorter than me born now. My friend, I put it to you that boy Osapolo is not my biological son.
Are you serious?
I've been suspecting this thing for a very long time. Not until this day when the mama bathed this boy for my front. When I see waiting this small boy Osapolo carry. Me wey being papa no even carry that kind of thing.
You don't mean it?
It was then it became so clear to me and I got a better understanding of the word. Say, lion not the born goat. That boy now the lion and maybe the goat. Because the kiawa I carry is not up to what that boy is. So I cannot give birth to that boy.
My brother. Now the same problem with the face. As I talk to you now, none of my children resemble me.
Can you imagine?
My first son, he know they eat eba, as me like a barrage. My children, they follow my gate man, play pass the way they follow me play. You see? My brother, the only solution now is to go do DNA test.
Exactly. Do you know the painful thing? They go to shout say, men they cheat. But now women, they fear DNA test pass.
Oh.
But I better drink, Jare. How are your children now?
You didn't want me.
I'll be me born them. Children why I never they show off.
They play.
Yeah, good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good afternoon, doctor.
What can I do for you?
Doctor, we are here to do a DNA test.
And I hope you know the meaning of what you're trying to do.
Do we know anything? If we know, we will not be here now.
Very good.
Do you know anything?
Do I know?
What you're trying to do now basically means genetic testing to prove the paternity of a child. Also, ancestral connection as well. And it also helps you to know your medical condition.
Doctor, maybe you should just go straight to the point. What do we need to do?
And there's nothing much to do. We can do it through blood sampling, fingernails clipping, you know, several processes. And see, it's very accurate.
Doctor, ego ne.
Chief, the money is not really the problem here, but I think I need to enlighten you so you will know some causes that leads to a child not being yours. These processes can be mistake from the hospitals the child you are giving birth to. Because we've seen cases of children being swapped during child delivery, and sometimes you may not know. The truth is this: it's not every case of the child not being yours that is caused by infidelity. These are errors from some medical center, and that's why we need to be very careful during child's birth and during child's delivery, so such issues will not occur.
How much is it?
250,000 naira.
250,000 naira for a DNA test.
Yes, sir.
For picking one over having day shorter than me born now. Otewe, we have to go. Let's leave. Let's go and check another hospital. This place is too expensive now.
My brother, me, I will do mine. I need to really confirm if those children are mine.
Oh, voilà. Me, I will go and try another alternative. Yes, to find out if truly I am the biological father of that boy.
Chief, please, if you are willing to do yours now, you meet the nurse by the reception. They will attend to you.
Thank you very much, doctor.
Otewe, I will be outside waiting for you. So you come and give me an update, yeah?
No problem, I'm coming.
You, what are you doing here? Have I not warned you to stop visiting this your friend? This your good-for-nothing friend.
You know me before.
This Ashawo, this prostitute. I don't want to see you with this girl. Oh yeah, come, let's go home.
Oga, what did you just call me? You called me an Ashawo.
Are you not an Ashawo?
Hey! Oga, this same Ashawo you call me so. Now the Ashawo na this your wife too here they do. Allow me, oh, please. Now this Ashawo na she do. Take carry belle for her side, bonus Apollo. I be say na you get the belle. For your information, you are not his father.
Thank you. I wish I won't just hear be that.
You think it's a joke?
Hello, Chief. The final results don't come out.
Very good.
Not be me born that boy. I tell you, say we Benin men, not they waste money for DNA test. We get our ways.
This is shock me.